Okay, I'm at University Trace. We're in the office. Alan just ran his machine to unstop the toilets in the labs, in the office bathrooms. Said he was bringing back some small roots. We're going to run the camera in, see what we can find here. We are also going to locate where the bit line is leaving the building to see if there is a clean out and or give an estimate to install a clean out. Holy shit. What's that, dude? Huh?
All set.
That's,
All set.
huh?
All set.
What we got here? Do me a favor, will you, let the ladies know we need to get in the women's restroom, please? What the heck is that? Ma'am?
Yes.
As soon as you unlock that door, I need to show you something.
There you go.
You're gonna watch this colonoscopy with me.
Oh, great.
Look at this. Okay? See this big wad of paper product right here?
Yeah.
We can see what toilet that's coming from. See, that was packed. The women's toilet was packed with I hate to tell you, but hygiene product, things like that. Do a lot of women use the restroom?
No.
That
Not
was
not since the coronavirus.
okay, well that was definitely a problem right there. But as you saw, it just pushed it out.
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah, that was a major pack.
I mean, has it been there for a long time, do you think? Or?
Now I'm pushing.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, thanks, Dalton. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, right where that tied in,
Yeah.
it was packed.
Oh, yeah, it flushed. That toilet flush is good.
Yeah, but as soon as you flushed it,
Well, like it was stopped up before when Alan was here.
yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
it was just accidents went from the line.
So we're apparently going that way, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, let me
Yeah, get ready to get outside.
go outside. Come on.
Hang on, I still got a little bit more here. Wait, let me get it towards you. It kind of came back at me.
Well, yours, eh?
Yeah, ready? Let's go, same time.
Alright,
1, 2, 3. There we go. That's got like a little belly right there. All right, I'm putting you on locate. Should be going out the building now. Huh? getting ready to push. I had a fitting coming in from the side. Am I outside the building yet? You got it? I'm at a turn right here. Is he right there? All right. Let me see if I can find a clean out. I'm right there. Let me see if I find a clean out. I didn't see one. I got a pipe coming in from the side, but is there like a pole or something there?
Got a pole back there, you got another building, clean out right there.
Okay. All right. Dalton!
Yeah.
Locate that right there. I might have a clean out. Underneath the bush, probably, huh? Yeah? All right, let me get her for a minute.
Yeah.
Because I'm not seeing any roots. Can I borrow you for a minute? We get checked every Tuesday too, so that's why I kind of have my math down a little bit. Oh yeah. Pat? Yeah, Pat has them coming in every Tuesday. They do the finger working. Yeah. Well, it's getting great. I live over there in LaPorte, and I drive by San Jack College every morning.
Yeah.
And, you know, at first, it was packed for the COVID. And then it got nobody. And now the lines are slammed again.
For what, for lining up for testing?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am, just so you know, we're leaving the building right back here.
What do you mean?
The main line,
Oh,
the
okay.
main line leaves the building. See, I got orange spray paint right there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's coming out. Now you've got a line, you've got a pool and stuff over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got a, huh? Ah, you got irrigation here?
Mm-hmm.
You might have an irrigation lane right there. It's all super wet. So if you look at this angle better, you see all the water sitting over there? See where it's brown?
Oh, yeah, it's more than just the irrigation, it's the leak.
You sure?
Yeah, I mean, it comes off in like, 3 minutes in the
Oh.
night.
All right.
Set up.
All right, anyway, we're coming out,
Uh-huh.
and then you got a main that's coming down the sidewalk here,
Mhm,
because we see everything coming this way.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I've already pushed 60 feet. I don't see any roots. I think what happened was you had all that paper probably piled up in there. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And of course, when Alan ran his machine, it just kind of put a little hole through it. So we were there and we flushed both toilets with the camera in there.
Mhm.
And moved it back and forth, and now everything went out. Now both toilets are clear and they're flushed like a champ. But I'm gonna push on out and see if I find these little roots he might have got.
Yeah, they look like noodles.
Yeah. Well, now see, if that's in the main,
But he only went 10, I think he went 10 feet max. That's what our maintenance guy told me. He went 10.
so
The
that's,
first
then
floor
that's,
was 10 feet.
okay, then that makes sense, because that's, your line's coming in and it's coming together right here.
Oh,
And
really?
then going out, okay? Now, there is one spot, I do want to show you. Let me pull it back. You can watch. I'm a little concerned about, see, I mean, it's good looking pipe. You know what I mean? Good looking pipe.
I don't know what you
Well, I mean, there's no breaks, but there's one spot here I'm a little concerned about. And it's right, going back, right here. It looks like it's offset really bad right here. You see how the pipe is here, and then your pipe's over here, like it's pushed over. And then see all this built up? That's what looks like it's a problem. Because if it was straight, I wouldn't be seeing this.
What is that white stuff?
I think it's toilet paper. That's all collected in here. And when he ran his machine, he probably went right in here. You getting me? See?
Yeah.
See how it looks offset?
So offset means it's just, there's not a clear, complete
it's off. It's been pushed apart.
Huh, okay.
So we're going to locate this, and it's going to be in here somewhere. Now I'm telling you, if we give a price to fix this, there's two ways to attack this, Stephanie. One is, depending upon where it's at, we actually come inside, jackhammer the floor, make necessary repairs. We put concrete back, but we don't do flooring or carpeting. You know, we're plumbers. But that is definitely an issue, and that's probably, because that's, if I pull all the way back, if you'll see, that's about, it's about not even 10 feet. Yeah, that's about 10 feet. But you see, that doesn't look good. That's definitely offset. And that's all toilet paper and stuff that's gathering. So your two pipes have been pushed. Which the building could be settling, the roots could be moving it.
They've had foundation work done here before.
Well, and that could have been happening since foundation work. It could have been apart all this time. You know, because usually when you raise a building, depending, if you go 3 to more inches, you'll pull stuff apart. Now I'm going to get Dalton to locate this one, because you look good out there.
Okay.
This is where we got the issue.
So, I mean, you're going to give us a price. Is this something that has to be done?
Well, not right this minute, but we know it's a problem. You know?
Yeah.
And if it starts backing up more and more frequently,
You know what's weird is that, like, Ray would tell me, like, this toilet, the men's toilet is backing up. I'm like, oh, the women's seems fine.
well,
And I'll go into the ladies and I'll flush it and it will just...
well, because they're offset. I mean, this one's, it's coming in, like I said, we're coming in, and this one over here is coming and tying in. Now it's tying in downstream, where this is further back here. It's right in front of that toilet.
So it's not a Y.
No, they're offsets. And that, we never put Ys. A lot of times when they build them, they'll put like what they call a double combo. And that's crazy, because if you get blockage in there, a lot of times your machine just does this instead of making it. So when we come in, we do what we call offsets. One will come in, and then downstream the other one comes in. So they're staggered.
Okay.
But that's definitely an issue.
All right.
So, hey Dalton, come on in here. We're gonna locate this all. Let's all look. This is just all of it. You know what I mean? Because that's all toilet paper, correct? Huh? Is it more over here? I moved it right up to it.
I'm moving.
Well, hang on. Right there. So it's right in that corner, huh?
2'2" right here.
Huh?
2'2".
Okay. Stephanie! Okay, just as I figured. You see that little orange thing he's got?
Yeah.
That's right where it's at. That's right where this offset's at.
Oh.
So
okay.
what we would do is come in, give you an estimate to break like a 3x3 right here. Okay? Jackhammer down, make the necessary repairs, backfill it concrete, but again, we don't do the
I
tile.
understand that, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
But like I said, if the bathroom's not getting used that much right now, I wouldn't worry about it too much.
Okay.
But it definitely needs to get done.
can that build up the toilet paper and stuff?
Oh,
be,
yeah.
like,
Oh,
flushed
yeah.
out now?
Huh?
Can that be like,
Oh, it's clear now.
it is?
Oh, yeah. See, that's off to the side. See, we're not even seeing, you were asking to see, you said the other ones don't flush, don't back up, right?
Yeah.
We're not even seeing the water come in. Now watch, I'm gonna flush this toilet,
Okay.
here comes the water. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So all your product is coming and sitting right in there. And then hit that other toilet is way down. Flush it again, Dalton?
I got one pressure.
Yeah, that one's coming in right there. Either this side or this side. That's where the women's is flushing. But this side was the side that was all packed with all the toilet paper.
So now it's cleared out?
Oh, yeah. See, here's the
That's
water.
good toilets though.
Yeah, oh, yeah. But it was just really packed right there. But it's clear now.
That was only like
So-
a quarter flush too.
So, our issue is definitely right. See, that's why the women's don't back up when the men's does. Is it all making sense to you now?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Bam, right there. It's right at a turn, ma'am. It's like the 90 came apart. So, we're gonna give an estimate to break up inside her restroom. As we're discussing here with Stephanie, it's not an emergency type situation because the restrooms aren't getting used that much, but it's something that's definitely gonna have to get taken care of. Again, no, I don't wanna break up in the hallway.
Now, Rick, there's also, we have a kitchen back here.
I saw that line tying in.
Is that, what,
That's gonna be fine.
it's fine, what do
Yeah.
people use, can people use the disposal?
Sure,
there?
sure.
Okay, all right,
Again, that's all downstream.
okay.
Your issue is right there.
Where does it tie in? Where does the stuff from the kitchen?
Right about here.
Okay,
It's coming in.
all right,
Yeah.
all right,
So, we're definitely gonna give an estimate for that.
okay.
Okay,
Sounds good.
this is what we found. We will be giving an estimate, and we'll go from there.